Let's begin the broadcast by telling you about how clearly there's still no legal respite for Arvind Kejriwal. But will he be released from jail today is the question, as a crucial hearing in Supreme Court may lead to the answer. Now, the top court is likely to pronounce an interim order on the bail plea of the Aam Aadmi Party national convener in relation to the Delhi excise policy case. Ahead of the hearing, the Enforcement Directorate filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court where it opposed interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. The ED claimed that right to campaign in polls is neither fundamental nor a constitutional or legal right. The ED further added that no political leader was ever granted interim bail for their own campaigns if they were already in custody. Additionally, the probe agency is also expected to file its first charge sheet against Kejriwal, where he is likely to be named as key conspirator. However, Kejriwal's legal team has strongly opposed ED's arguments. They have termed the arrest illegal, saying it's based on statements of approvers who are allegedly linked to the BJP.
देखिए, केंद्र सरकार दोहरा रवैया अपना रही है। अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में मंत्री रहे दिलीप रे, जिनको कोयले घोटाले के अंदर 3 साल की सज़ा सुनाई गई, यानी कि आरोप सिद्ध होने के बाद सज़ा सुनाई गई, उनको दिल्ली के हाई कोर्ट ने उनकी सज़ा को स्टे कर दिया, ये कह के कि इनको चुनाव लड़ना है और ये चुनाव नहीं लड़ पाएंगे तो बहुत बड़ा इरिवर्सिबल डैमेज हो जाएगा। और वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। और अब केंद्र सरकार इस मामले में कह रही है कि भाई चुनावों के लिए जो है आप बेल भी नहीं दे सकते। जिस अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर अभी तक कुछ साबित नहीं हुआ, कोई उन्हें सज़ा नहीं हुई, यहाँ तक कि ट्रायल शुरू नहीं हुई, उनको आप इंटरिम बेल रोक रहे हैं। जिसको सज़ा दे दी उसकी आपने सज़ा रोक दी। तो ये तो दोहरा रवैया है, तो दोहरा मापदंड है। सीधा सीधा कहा जा सकता है कि ईडी सिर्फ और सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए बैटिंग कर रही है।
All right. Clearly, Arvind Kejriwal has found no legal respite as yet. We heard what Saurabh Bharadwaj had to say. But let's also tell you essentially the remarks made by the central agency over here. They've gone on to state that right to campaign is not a fundamental right. No one granted interim bail for campaigning because this is one of the things that Arvind Kejriwal's legal counsel had stated during arguments. ED over here has also stated that netas have contested elections in custody and won. Let me take that point across to my colleague Rame, who is, of course, continuously tracking this development for us. Rame, good afternoon. You know, one aspect of this is that there's clearly no respite for him yet. But having said that, with the key remarks made by the central agency now, where do things stand for him today?
Absolutely. So the question at large today is, will Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal be released from jail today? A crucial hearing in the Supreme Court may lead to the answer today. The top court is likely to pronounce an interim order on the bail plea of the Aam Aadmi Party convener in the relation to the Delhi exercise policy case. Now, ahead of the hearing, the ED had yesterday filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court where it opposed the interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. ED claimed that right to campaign in polls is neither fundamental nor a constitutional and not even a legal right. What message will go to the Aam Aadmi? What legal precedent will be set if Arvind Kejriwal is released just on the ground that he needs to campaign for the upcoming elections in the ongoing elections? More so ever when Arvind Kejriwal is himself not contesting these elections. Now, this is what the ED has stated. However, the verdict is likely to be pronounced today, and we'll have to see what the Supreme Court has to say.
Right, Rame. As you get us details about that, stay with me. I understand you're tracking more important developments concerning this case.